In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a text outline in Squarespace. We'll start inside your Squarespace site dashboard. Make sure you're logged in and looking at the website you want to edit. From here, open the Pages panel. This is where you manage the content of your site, and it's a handy place to jump straight to the page you want to style. Next, select your home page. Choosing a specific page, like Home, helps you preview the effect in a familiar context as you work. Don't worry, you're not changing content yet. You're just getting set up to see your styling as soon as it's ready. Now, head to the Design tools where we'll add the styling. Open Custom Code, then choose Custom CSS. This is the built-in area where Squarespace lets you add site-level styles that can create effects not available in the standard text settings. A text outline is one of those effects. Click into the CSS editor so your cursor is active and you're ready to type. When you see the instruction to type in highlight, think of that as the name you'll give the style you're creating. You can use a class name like highlight to define the outline effect, and then later apply it to the pieces of text you want outlined. The exact styling values you choose, such as color, outline thickness, and fill, are up to your design, but keep readability in mind. High contrast usually works best for outlines, and subtle thickness often looks cleaner across different font weights. With your CSS in place, navigate to your Events page to preview how the style behaves on real content. If you see events listed more than once, just open it to make sure you're looking at the current page view and the live preview reflects your new styling. This quick check helps confirm that the outline looks sharp at various sizes and that it doesn't crowd your letters or reduce legibility on darker backgrounds. When everything looks right, click Save. Saving locks in the change site-wide, so your outline text will stay consistent across pages. If you don't see the change immediately, refresh your preview, clear your browser cache, or try viewing in an incognito window to bypass any cached styles. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Test on mobile to ensure the outline isn't too heavy on small screens. Keep your branding colors consistent so the outline supports your design system, and avoid overly thick outlines on light fonts. If something feels off, small adjustments to thickness and color usually fix it fast. That's it. Clean, professional text outlines in Squarespace using custom CSS.